Okay, so a couple things about this method. This would be a method that you could do when students are not present, so you don't have the complications of either slowing down the learning or things happening that happen either in the microphone or the video that you aren't expecting. So this is much more controllable. One thing you can do is also organize all your work a little bit more thoroughly. You'll notice I added a number here or I added blanks here. This could be done where students are either expected to copy the notes that I'm doing, or as one of my colleagues does, he has a preset of notes that he bases off of whatever he puts up as his content that the students are expected to fill in, either theorems, postulates, etc. Or as I did, I left spaces to ask questions. Now, this is also one of those times where if you have a Zaption, an Ed puzzle, something like that, you could also insert your breakaways, your break-ins, for having them answer questions while the video is going on. So it stops the video, the kid has to answer the question, and then you move on. You'll notice for each question or blank, I paused so that that's my cue. I can stop the camera or stop the video, put the question in, then go ahead with it. Again, advantage to this, organized, redoable, reproducible. Downside is it does take more time to actually produce and catalog and library all of this, but it gives you some more control over the product. If you have an assistant like I have today who keeps hitting my tripod, then this becomes a little bit easier to do, but the problem is I still have to write all this stuff up. Now, with a camera, you can also take a digital image of this, and with a digital image, that becomes maybe their note page. You put it online as a supplemental material. So that's something that could also be done. Or if you have an assistant that's capable with the camera, they can do a zoom and pan and you can use more of your board. Each method has its own set of drawbacks, but its own set of pluses.